Hey everybody, in my last ukulele tutorial, I taught you how to play a boogie woogie blues line over a C7 chord. And if you missed that video, you can click right up here to watch it again and review. In this ukulele blues lesson, we're gonna learn how to take that same lick, play it over a full 12-bar blues progression. I'm gonna teach you two ways of how to play it, one for high G tuning, one for low G tuning. By the end of this video, you're gonna have a sweet melody that you can use as a building block for how to solo. Let's get started with the high G tuning. I'm gonna lead you through a practice session, then we're going to put the whole thing together and learn a turnaround lick. Now the first part we already covered in the first video. I'll just pluck it with my thumb. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Do it twice. Now we move on through the chord progression. We play it over an F7 chord. We're going to play this lick. I'll play it first and then I'll break it down. Start by placing your ring finger at the 5th fret of the 3rd string. That note is an F. Play it twice. Middle finger moves across to the 4th fret of the 2nd string. Play that note once, then the 5th fret of the 2nd string. Now we move across to the 1st string, 3rd fret. Play that note twice. Play the note at the 5th fret twice. And now we slide up to the 8th fret, play it twice. And then back down to 5th fret, 3rd fret, and then 4th fret, 2nd string, 5th fret, 2nd string. Let's loop this together. It's a nice hand combination. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. And that lick is living on top of the F7 chord. Also an F major chord will work just fine. So go back, repeat that a couple times, get it under your fingers. The good news is once you know how to play this pattern, it's the same exact thing, 2 frets higher to play over the G7 chord. Let's talk this out nice and slow. 3rd finger is at the 7th fret of the 3rd string. Play that note twice. Now your middle finger is going to move to the 6th fret of the 2nd string. Then the ring finger, 7th fret of the 2nd string. Hop over to the 5th fret of the 1st string. Play that note twice. Ring finger at the 7th fret. Hop on up to the 10th fret. And then you go back down, 7th fret. 5th fret, and then 6, 7, and then back home to 7. When you loop this together, you get a nice finger exercise, and this is just outlining it nice and slow. We'll go through lots of ways to create variations and to take some nice solo ideas in part 2. How you feeling so far? Let's put this all together in the 12-bar blues progression, and we're going to add this turnaround lick at the very end. Very classic turnaround lick, and that will follow the G7 chord at the very end. Let's play this in one continuous loop of 12-bar blues, and by the way, there are printable versions for this and lots of other perks waiting for you at the membership site. Join the Ukulele Zen community for all kinds of bonus lessons, perks, and printables. Let's jam this all together. 1, 2, nice and easy. We play. Get a full tone. Here comes the F7. You got it. Here comes G7. Turn around. And that is the 12-bar blues played slowly. so we can just get our hands on it, but this is a cool tempo to play a slow, relaxing blues. How are you doing so far? Let me know in the comment section down below. Please rewind and review this video. I try to make my lessons thorough and helpful for you. Right now, we're going to learn how to play this using a low G tuning and a very cool movable shape. Before we get into that, if you're enjoying this video, having fun and getting some value out of it, please give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to this channel, ring that notification bell so you never miss a video from Ukulele Zen. Thanks for joining me. Let's move on with part 2.